Are you planning a road trip and wondering what tech essentials you should bring along? In this vlog, we'll be discussing the must-have gadgets and devices that will make your journey more comfortable and enjoyable. First on our list is a portable charger. With so many devices to keep charged, a portable charger will ensure that your phone, tablet, and other electronics stay powered up throughout your trip. We recommend a high-capacity charger with multiple USB ports so you can charge multiple devices at once. Next up is a dash cam. Not only is a dash cam useful for capturing beautiful scenery, but it can also serve as a valuable tool in case of an accident. Many dash cams come with features such as GPS tracking, night vision, and even built-in Wi-Fi, so you can easily share your road trip footage. For entertainment on the go, a tablet or e-reader can be a lifesaver. Whether you're watching movies, reading books, or playing games, a tablet will provide hours of entertainment during long drives. To make the most of your tablet, consider investing in a car mount that can hold it securely in place. Another essential is a GPS device or navigation app on your phone. With real-time traffic updates and the ability to find alternate routes, a GPS device or app can help you avoid delays and get to your destination faster. To keep your devices safe, a waterproof and shockproof case or bag is a good idea. There are many options available, from simple plastic bags to more advanced cases with built-in padding, so you can protect your devices from rain, dust, and rough terrain. Lastly, don't forget about a good set of headphones or a Bluetooth speaker. This will allow you to enjoy your own music or podcasts without disturbing others in the car. With these tech essentials, you'll be able to stay connected, entertained, and on track during your road trip. Happy travels! One other tech essential that can come in handy on road trips is a power inverter. This device can convert the DC power from your car's cigarette lighter into AC power, which can then be used to charge laptops, cameras, and other devices that require a wall outlet. Another useful gadget is a portable Wi-Fi hotspot. This will allow you to stay connected to the internet even when you're out of range of a traditional network. With a portable Wi-Fi hotspot, you can check your email, access maps and directions, and stay in touch with friends and family no matter where you are. A portable vacuum cleaner can also be a lifesaver on road trips, especially if you're traveling with kids or pets. With a portable vacuum cleaner, you can quickly and easily clean up any spills, crumbs, or other messes that might occur during your trip. Lastly, it's always a good idea to have a car mount for your phone. This can be mounted on your dashboard or windshield, and allows you to have your phone in a safe and convenient place for navigation, hands-free calling, or music streaming. With these tech essentials, you'll be well prepared for any situation that might arise on your road trip. From staying connected to staying entertained, these gadgets will make your journey more comfortable and enjoyable. Remember to pack all these essentials and happy road tripping!